crochet smash. Today we will make a granny square in two colors. It's like two triangles. Okay, so we will start with the magic circle. And make chain 3, two. So this is the first double crochet. The first chain 3 is considered as the first double crochet. Then we make 2 more double crochet in the magic ring, then chain 2 and make 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and while making the third double crochet we do only halfway, and we are going to add the different color. The second color, my second color is red, so I joined the yarn right here. This one I left it here. See the working yarn of the white is here. Now I attach the red. Now chain 2, make 3 double crochet in red, one, 2 and 3. And then we make a chain 2 and we make 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, join to the first chain 3, the top of the chain 3, slip stitch. Now turn the work, make a slip stitch to come to the middle of this chain 2 space, then make 1, 2, 3 chains, and I'll go 1, 2 double crochets and chain 2. No need to chain 2, just make chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Then we go to the next chain 2 space and make 1, 2, 3 double crochet. I can tighten this magic ring, magic circle, magic ring, whatever. So we have chain 3, 2 double crochet, and then in the space we have 3 double crochet and chain 2, then 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and see, we have to go to here. There's already red here, so we will make red, 1, 2, 3, and we change 3. We didn't third double crochet, we are only halfway and we are not finishing it. We are taking the color and white and added the white there. Make sure you are not pulling it too much to keep it straight. 1, 2. Then we left the red here. We are not taking it underneath or anything, just like that. Just 1, 2, 3. Now in the next corner we make another corner there. 1, 2, it came off. 1, 2, 3, and chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. And see, this one we have to finish this corner, right? So we are going here to make another 3 double crochet. And to finish the corner we need chain 2 and join with this one. And turn, slip stitch to the center. 1, 2, 3 chains, minutely slipping first. 1, 2, 3, right? Then here between these two clusters of double crochet we make another double crochet cluster or one granny cluster. 1, 2, 3. Now go to the corner and finish the corner. 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, then 1, 2, 3. Now we go here, make another granny stitch. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now we are going to the corner. 1, 2, 3. We can change the color. Just leave the white. Okay. Just leave the white below. Get the red. Chain 2. And 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Chain 2, double crochets. 1, 2, 3, right? I can count faster than I make crochet. And this is 1, 2, 3. Finish off. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, join with the slip stitch. Look at this. You can turn back, slip stitch, then chain 3 and go all the way back. Get the white, go all the way back like that. You can make as many rows as you want. I'm going to make a couple of more rows and we will come back. Here we are. We finished a few more rounds and I'm happy with the results. Now discard the yarn and load the yarn in. I like to put the red in the back of the red itself. Let's see. And not long enough, right? So and a little bit to the back again, so it won't unravel. White is inside the white. When you are stitching the yarn tail or the weaving in the yarn tail, you can get these loops a little bit like and go through the middle of the yarn a little bit like that, so it will hold your yarn tail. When I started learning crochet, I didn't know the yarn tail has to be a little longer and it has to be really nicely weaved in to keep the work. What happened is I made a beautiful blanket, then the yarn tails were not correctly woven in, so it came out unraveling. What a beautiful mess it was. I had to get rid of that blanket because even though it was beautiful, it was not useful. It was coming out, unraveling all the yarn, and I cannot keep it as a blanket. Learn my lesson. So always stitch back and forth and weave your yarn tails correctly buried inside your stitches. And while stitching, you pick up a few threads, few strands of yarn, and go through that to make it extra secure. Just like this. I can go in the stitches to be nice. You can't see the yarn tail at all. Just a bit more. It's always a good idea to leave a longer yarn tail when you are finishing the work and use that to go a little bit back and forth, getting a few strands of yarn when you are stitching in, so your work won't unravel that easily. This is acrylic, so you can hold a little tighter, closer. Now the yarn is buried inside, so it is neat. A little bit of here, like a little overhang, but altogether this is fine, I guess. I think it is beautiful. Okay,